Hi friends, welcome back to God of Gizmos. My name is Satish Kumar Purswani. Today I'm going to do unboxing and review of Microsoft Surface Arc mouse. Before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates. I would like to thank to my dear sister Neelam Purswani for gifting me this mouse. This mouse has come all the way from United States to India. If you want to purchase this mouse, you can find the affiliate links in the description box below. Without wasting much time, let's begin. So here is Microsoft Surface Arc mouse box in my hand. On the left hand side it is written Microsoft Surface. On the right hand side you can find serial number, model number, and it is said to be made in China. On the top there is a strip for carrying this box. On the back side of the box you can see that it is for $79.99. Surface Arc mouse SC Bluetooth. It contains two 3AA alkaline batteries which are already included in the box. On the box it is mentioned that this is ultra slim mouse that curves to turn on and flattens to turn off. There's a scroll pad on the mouse which can be used to slide up and down or side to side. This mouse directly works with Bluetooth. There is no Bluetooth dongle given to connect to your machine. This will directly pair with your laptop Bluetooth or mobile Bluetooth. This mouse can be customized as per your needs by downloading the 150 MB software which is available on Microsoft website. Now we will move ahead with the actual unboxing of this mouse. As you can see, the box is already unsealed. As I am already using this mouse from quite some time now, I will just unbox this for you. So here is the actual mouse. I will just pick this mouse up in my hand. As you can see, the build quality of the mouse is very great, and this seems quite lightweight. It is curvy on all the edges. The above part is of plastic and the bottom part is of rubber material. There are two things in this. One is LED, one is the sensor, and this is the Bluetooth button which we will use for pairing this with our laptop or mobile phone. Here it is written Microsoft, and as you can see, this is how it is going to be curved when we'll be switching on this mouse. We'll curve this mouse. This will get switched on once the batteries are fixed in this mouse, and this is how it is going to be used. I will show it to you again. I will just flatten this mouse, and this is how it is going to be switched off. I will just keep the mouse aside. We will go ahead with the box. What's in it? Let's see. We'll just pick up this tray. So here are two 3AA alkaline batteries in the box. I will just keep these batteries aside. As the manual in which it is written how to connect this mouse, how to switch on this mouse. This manual is in different languages. I think about 7 languages. I will keep the manual aside, and this is the another manual in which warnings and warranty is mentioned. So nothing else is in the box. There is just a QR code in the box aside. I will keep the box aside. I will just pick up the mouse, and as I already told you, the mouse is very great. It is quite lightweight. This is the left click and this is the right click on the mouse. So this is a touch pad which you will be using to scroll the mouse up and down and side to side. I will just open the lid where batteries are going to be fixed. So there are a number of things written under the lid. First is how to connect the batteries and many more. I will just connect these two batteries. The plus is on the left side and minus is on the right side. I will just replace the lid, and I will show you this is how it is going to be switched on. As you can see, the light is glowing. It will glow for 5 seconds on the front hand side, and on the back hand side it will glow continuously till the time the mouse is in switched on state. I will first try to connect this mouse with my Lenovo phone. I will just unlock my phone and I will go to Bluetooth, switch on the Bluetooth of my phone, go inside the Bluetooth, and I will start searching for the devices available on the Bluetooth. So it is saying no nearby devices found, as I haven't clicked the button on the back side of this mouse, which makes this mouse discoverable on the Bluetooth. I will just turn this mouse around and show you that button and click that button as well. You have to click and keep on holding the button until the light on the back side as well as on the front side starts blinking. However, the manual in the box says you have to click and keep holding the button for 3 seconds. Once the light starts blinking, it makes the device discoverable. As you can see, the light has started blinking on my mouse, on the front side as well as on the back side of the mouse. So I will do search again, which is refresh button in my phone. As soon as I click refresh, Surface Arc mouse is listed in the available devices below. I will just click on Surface Arc mouse for pairing this device. As soon as the device is paired, it starts getting connecting to that device, and the light blinking on the mouse goes off as soon as the device is connected. As you can see, as soon as the mouse is connected, my cursor appears on my mobile screen. I will just do a right click to go back on the mobile screen, and I can do a scroll by holding the click and moving it towards left. I will just go to main menu by clicking on main menu icon. I will just play some video on YouTube. You can buy this mouse by using the affiliate links provided in the description box below. This mouse costs around 12,000 in India. My phone is currently in airplane mode. I will just go and take my phone out of airplane mode. As you can see, I'm scrolling YouTube section using the touchpad on the mouse, and the click on the mouse I am going to subscription icon. As you can see, I am scrolling towards down. I don't have anything to show you the scroll side to side. Just keep an eye on the phone as well as on the mouse. As you can see, I am doing a scroll. It is happening on the phone as well. And on the back end side, as you can see, this is the button I have already shown you. So if I make the mouse straight, it goes off, it gets disconnected from the Bluetooth. As you can see, the light on the back side of the mouse goes off as well. See, once I turn on the mouse, the light on the front end side is switched on for 5 seconds and then it goes off. As my mouse is already paired with my mobile phone, it directly gets connected. As you can see, there is one sensor on the back end side of this mouse and there is one LED in next to the sensor. There's this button you can use for pairing this device to your mobile phone or any device. Once you push the Bluetooth button for more than 3 seconds, mouse gets disconnected from all the paired devices and goes into discoverable mode. It actually forgets all the paired devices and starts looking for new pairing. As you can see, the mouse is already paired and it is still showing in available devices. As I already told you, the light on the front end side as well as on the back end side keeps on blinking until your mouse is paired with any of the devices. Now I will still try to connect to the already paired mouse with my mobile phone, just to show you that it is not getting connected. So once you have pressed that Bluetooth button, then you need to forget already paired mouse on your device and do the pairing again to connect the mouse to your device. I will just switch off and switch on my Bluetooth so that I can actually see the actual mouse available on the available devices. As you can see, once the mouse is paired with the mobile phone, the blinking on the mouse stops. The issue that I noticed while pairing this mouse with my mobile phone is, if you try to add the new pairing and remove the existing pairing simultaneously, then there is a chance that your mobile phone might not recognize the pairing and adding of the same mouse together. and that is why it is not getting connected and I need to do the pairing again. However, this is not the issue with mouse or mobile phone, this is just the rare condition that I have faced. So it is recommended to remove the pairing, switch off the Bluetooth, switch on the Bluetooth again and do the pairing again. One more thing that I would like to tell you is whenever you will press Bluetooth button on the backend side of this mouse, you will end up clicking the mouse as well, as the Bluetooth button is placed in that manner. So it is recommended to avoid doing the click on the mouse and just press the Bluetooth button to change your mouse visibility to discoverable. As you can see, I am doing the pairing again, and once it is connected, it starts working normally. As you can see, the touch is quite responsive. Mouse is quite lightweight. The build quality is really very superb. Once you flatten the mouse, it gets switched off and gets disconnected from the Bluetooth. There's one thing which is not captured in this video is the bottom part of this mouse is having some magnetic thing inside it, and I will recommend you to keep it away from the hard disk on your laptop and your devices. Magnet can actually damage your hard disk drives and other things, so be aware about it. I hope you like this video. If you did, do give a thumbs up to my video, share your views in the comments below, and share this video with your family and friends. If you're a biker enthusiastic for bikes and love riding, then you should subscribe to my friend's channel, that is Skinny Rider. I will provide the link in the description below. If you're looking for some more technical videos on YouTube, then you can search for Vasyani Sahil and go watch some videos on his channel as well. Thank you friends, stay tuned for more updates.